If you've ever wondered whether one vacuum could truly replace everything else in your closet, this might be the one worth a closer look. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're reviewing the Shark PowerDetect Upright Vacuum Cleaner AZ4002, a premium upright designed for serious cleaning performance across carpets and hard floors, especially in homes with pets. This is a heavy-duty upright vacuum featuring DuoClean Detect technology, powered lift-away functionality, a sealed HEPA filtration system, and multiple IntelliSense sensors that automatically adjust power while you clean. If you're dealing with embedded pet hair, fine dust, and mixed flooring, this model is clearly designed with you in mind. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's walk through the most compelling reasons this vacuum stands out. Reason number 1. Intelligent cleaning that adapts in real time. The AZ4002 doesn't rely on fixed power settings. Its DuoClean Detect system uses 4 IntelliSense sensors: dirt detect, edge detect, floor detect, and direction detect to automatically adjust suction and brushroll speed. That means it senses hidden debris inside carpets, boosts power near walls within 2 inches, adapts when switching from hardwood to carpet, and even redirects suction depending on whether you're pushing forward or pulling back. The result is efficient, consistent cleaning without manual adjustments. Reason number 2. Exceptional pet hair pickup without hair wrap. Pet owners will appreciate the self-cleaning brushroll system. It's engineered to prevent hair wrap while maintaining strong agitation on carpets. Combined with high suction performance, it pulls embedded pet hair from deep carpet fibers and removes surface debris from hard floors without scattering. This is one of those features that directly improves day-to-day ownership, less maintenance, fewer interruptions. Reason number 3. True HEPA filtration with complete seal. For households sensitive to dust and allergens, the anti-allergen complete seal system works alongside a HEPA filter to trap 99.99% of particles down to 0.3 microns. That means dust and debris stay inside the vacuum instead of recirculating into the air. It's a measurable performance standard that adds genuine peace of mind, especially in homes with pets or allergies. Reason number 4. Powered lift-away for versatile cleaning. The powered lift-away feature allows you to detach the pod while keeping the brush roll active. This makes it much easier to clean under furniture, stairs, and tight areas without sacrificing suction. Instead of switching to a different tool, you maintain upright level performance in more compact spaces. Reason number 5. Dual brush roll system for all floor types. The DuoClean system combines a bristle brush roll for deep carpet agitation with a soft roller designed to maintain direct contact on hard floors. This ensures you're not just picking up visible debris, but also fine dust that traditional uprights often leave behind. For homes with mixed flooring, that versatility matters. Reason number 6. Edge-to-edge precision cleaning. Edge detect technology increases suction power automatically when approaching walls and corners. This eliminates the need to follow up with a secondary tool for baseboards and tight edges. Over time, that saves effort and delivers a more thorough finish in high-traffic rooms. Reason number 7. Built for long-term freshness and reliability. Odor neutralizer technology helps guard against unpleasant smells inside the vacuum, maintaining a fresher environment over time. Combined with its sealed filtration and durable build, this is clearly engineered for heavy use. It's also trusted by many 5-star reviewers who consistently highlight its suction strength and pet hair performance. Final verdict: the Shark PowerDetect AZ4002 is not a lightweight stick vacuum. It's a full-sized, heavy-duty upright built for serious cleaning. It's larger and more powerful than compact alternatives, so if you live in a small apartment with minimal flooring, it may be more machine than you need. However, for medium to large homes, especially those with pets, mixed flooring, and allergy concerns, it delivers advanced automation, measurable filtration performance, and powerful deep cleaning in one system. It stands out because it doesn't just offer strong suction, it intelligently applies that suction where and when it's needed. If you're looking for a vacuum that reduces guesswork and maximizes cleaning efficiency, this is one to consider carefully. The link is in the description. Take your time, review the details,